Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Today I wanted to show you that you can fire roll the fibers out of a yucca leaf. You're just going to scrape all that pulp off of there, and before the fibers get completely dry you can go ahead and apply your ashes and use it to fire roll. But first I need a mosquito repelling fire, and since we have this highly polished tablespoon, let's go ahead and make a solar ignition with this char cloth. Find it on your finger first. Right there. And it doesn't take long once you get that focal point dialed in just right. And in this bright sunlight you can't see it a lot of times. So let me blow on it. Yeah, it's ignited. There we go. Now, let me show you how easy it is to extract these fibers. Turn the leaf over and keep on scraping. All right, that's about a 1/2 inch by about 3 inches. I usually like more fiber than that, but let's see if we can make a small fire roll ignition. Put about a 1/4 teaspoon of ash in it. And we'll go ahead and get our pine needles ready. We are ready to give it a try. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all, and do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.